When it rains and storms and thunders, I feel romantically. And it makes me wonder, where is the one for me? Who finds it fine to stay indoors? Who doesn't mind it when it pours? Maybe one day I'll seduce a like-minded recluse. All by myself, there is nobody else. Each day is kinda the same. Oh, why is it so that I'm always alone when it rains? I'd love to find one who thinks that it's fun to read Tolstoy and Steinbeck and Twain. Is that much to ask? I like to do things like that when it rains. I love to listen to the wind blow, maybe put up a cup of coffee or tea, put on a record, watch a movie, maybe cook up a meal for my echo, my shadow in me. But alone here I sit, not too blue, just a bit. I think I'll sit at the piano and play. It always sounds better in inclement weather, and I'm all alone when it rains. Feel a certain sense of wonder when I hear the roll of thunder. Don't get me wrong, I like the sunshine too, but the raindrops hiss and clatter make my heart go pitter-patter. The only thing that's missing is you. Yes, alone here I sit, not too blue, just a bit. I think I'll sit at the piano and play. Maybe someday soon I will find someone to sit by my side, and I won't be all alone.